Cherish, what's up?
Do you feel like carb loading today?
Yes.
Good, because it's National
Sweating.
Pasta Day. What's the one you like? Gnocchi?
Mezzi rigatoni.
Mezza rigatoni. I like a bucatini.
I like a bucatini too.
We're going to celebrate the only way we know how with a guy who has been carb loading for 35 years as the culinary director at the world famous Carmine.
I love Carmine so much. Yep, here with some pasta. I thought it said a massage and a message about the organization helping children he happens to love. Please welcome Chef Glen Rolnick.
Where is he?
He's pointing in different directions. Where is he? Is he coming from the ceiling?
Hey.
Do you always have pasta in your hand everywhere you go? How's it going? Good
That
to see
does
you.
not look like a.
There's a gnocchi.
Yeah, absolutely.
Holy smokes!
Is it half the plate though, or is it the pasta? That's the pasta.
No,
yeah,
it's everything.
That's
it's a little of everything.
And you know what the crazy? This is actually what you get at Carmine's.
Absolutely, that's
insane.
a portion.
I love it.
It
I love
smells
this place.
delicious.
Yes, it does.
Sit over
right?
there so we can get a
Absolutely,
nice picture of you.
Of course.
Let me tell you something. I don't like Italian restaurants because it's never as good as the one that I make. Every time I go to Carmine's, it's a glorious joy. It really is. It's one of the
homemade,
few
right?
places
made
that you can
fresh.
get like great pasta.
Yeah, no, thank you. We appreciate that.
What is the secret to your success? 35 years there are restaurants that don't last
35-year
35
anniversary
days.
just this past month. It's crazy to be around for
Congratulations.
35 years and the success we've had, and we continue to do the same thing over and over again, and that's what people want. All of our locations, we make it the same, right? You want to go to each place and taste the same food,
Right. Yeah.
So. And we make sure it's good.
And you haven't, if you haven't been, and I was joking about the portion, but it's actually not a joke. Like this is what
Family
it's
style.
all
Yes,
family style,
family
right?
style. It is family style. And once you go there, the servers know how to tell you, how to order. If it's only 2 people, you can definitely eat, but it's great for bigger parties.
I love it. It
Totally.
smells so good. We're going to make some pasta with you in a hot second, but
Yes.
you have an organization that you're working with. You're partnering with a bunch of different chefs. Tell us what it is and why you're doing it.
Yes. Serving Up Smiles is encourage kids. I mean, it means a lot. I take pride in talking about it because I love working with them. They elected me co-chair, so I'm the chef chair of the organization. So we have our event, Chelsea Piers, next Monday night, the 27th. Looking so forward to it. They're such a great group and organization to work for. They take care of kids in need, kids that need assistance, need help, need comforting and support. And #1 organization for kids. I cannot believe how I feel and how it makes me feel working with them.
This is fantastic.
That's awesome.
Yeah, no, it's great.
You can
It's
see their
absolutely
passion.
great.
What you're
Yeah.
talking about right
without
now.
a doubt, without a doubt. Love doing it with them. They're a great group of people to work with too.
And what better way to show your love than through food? So they picked an excellent
Without
co-chair.
a doubt. Thank you. Appreciate
Can we
it.
walk and talk?
You're gonna meander?
Absolutely, we can.
Should we bring this
Yeah,
with us?
I'll carry this.
You know what? I didn't go to the gym. Can I?
Oh, okay.
Get to your
Absolutely.
curls.
Absolutely.
Is this like 5 pounds?
Let's pass through to the
This is
kitchen.
like
That's
8 pounds.
That's definitely 8 to 10.
Holy
yeah.
smokes.
Look at your biceps.
Careful.
There's veins. You look like Hugh Jackman.
After you, chef.
Okay, I'm here.
What do we got going
so
on?
We're all set up for you, okay? We're going to roll out some fresh gnocchi.
Okay.
And one of the specials that we're running for our anniversary is fresh gnocchi with lamb bolognese and ricotta
fancy.
salata. So we're going to show you a little bit how to do it. We're each going to get, all right, so I just made this. It's fresh dough. All right, I give you a little flour, so I'm sure you're okay with putting
What is this?
Put a little flour on. That's eggplant parm.
My God.
Yeah, brought some eggplant parm, even though it's National Pasta Day.
That's all right.
All right, and you can
And roll.
start rolling, put a little on top if you want.
Wow, this
same
is
for
super
you.
fresh.
Am I rolling
Yeah,
here?
oh, it's just fresh. I made this thing last night.
Might as well hop in.
Yep.
I'm gonna strain you.
In a jacuzzi.
Yep.
I like that.
Yep. So let me just
Chef,
put this on
can,
there.
can I just ask you a very
Yes.
important question? How do you keep the gnocchi from getting so dense and sinking to the bottom of your gut?
Okay.
This is why I have a push-pull with gnocchi.
All right. So
Sometimes it's too heavy.
This one, it is. And it's the amount of flour you put in. You have to put egg yolks in, all right? And then this has fresh ricotta cheese, and it
Obviously.
also has baked potato in it. So
And baked-
I
okay.
finally shaved the potato because if you bake the potato, you don't get the moisture into it. So the moisture in
Bake
the
the
flour
potato.
makes the dent. Bake the potato, shave it very fine.
It's all in
right?
the dough? Really? All that's in the dough?
It's all in the
Wow.
dough. Yep, and a little bit of salt. So stretch it. You want to get it the size of maybe a dime, right? So this one's a little long. If you have to break it in half, break it, and then
Into a dime?
Yep, into about a dime.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
The more flour you put on, of
You
course,
keep
it's
going.
easier to
I
work
know,
with.
you keep
So
going.
what we do, we gave you dough scrapers.
Thank you. I
All
might
right?
steal this one because I just asked for Santa for a dough scraper, but now I can.
Oh,
just steal
it's all
this one.
yours. I'll
Thank
give
you.
it to
Every
you
kid
after.
wants a dough
All
scraper
right,
in the
so
stocking.
once you're done, once you're ready,
Yeah.
you can have it a little thick. It's fine. Then we'll cut it a little thinner.
I like a girthy gnocchi, so I'm good.
All right, so take your
I
dough
heard that
scraper,
about
which is
you.
right
Oh,
next to
okay,
you,
yeah.
right, and
How-
just cut.
let
Do
me see.
cuts.
I'm
All right,
ready.
and just cut it.
Little
Okay,
pieces.
just little pieces.
Do you use a fork to make the lines in it?
Some people do, some don't. When you're making a lot, it's a little difficult to make that. They even sell boards that you can roll.
You can do
roll
that,
in.
yeah.
You'll get that in.
Okay. Yeah.
So once we do that, we'll have fresh pot of boiling water.
Yep.
He came. You know what,
Okay, I
Ben?
came prepared.
You keep doing. You made gnocchi with my sister.
Did I make? No, I made rigatoni.
Okay, fine.
Oh.
Continue.
So memory's coming back.
Yes.
Exactly.
All right, so we put this in. We have a basket over here.
We put a little.
Yep,
little
everybody
dough
can
balls.
put it in. Yep, put in the dough balls. If you want, bring over your whole board.
Okay.
Bring your
All
board.
right, bring the board.
BYOB.
Yeah.
All right,
board.
and as I say, if you make it light, it's not going to be as dense and
This is
heavy
how I
when you eat it.
Thank you,
Ooh, I
Chef.
want a dough cutter too.
Yeah,
See?
they're great.
Aren't they nice?
This is
You know
fun.
what?
This is
It's
what
your
I'm saying.
present for our 35th
And then
anniversary.
once you
kind.
finish
for
this, you're
encourage kids.
you cook
Right.
and then you finish in here because we've run out of time.
Yeah, we have a lamb bolognese. So in order to make it quick, we're going to just show you it's a mirepoix of vegetables.
Oh, the
Right.
Trinity, the holy
Oh, that's
Trinity.
gorgeous.
Celery, carrots,
onion, and
onions, really
carrots.
diced it up fine. And then this, we basically took the ground lamb.
Yeah.
All right, we mixed it in, deglaze it with burgundy, put a little bit of tomato product in, usually Italian tomatoes, of course,
Yes.
from San Marzano, and then a little bit of lamb stock in there.
Beautiful.
So that's it. It becomes this.
We're going to
We'll
finish
get this.
We're
We'll
going to
move it
thank
around.
you at
It's
home.
so
Go to
simple.
Carmine's. Make sure to check out Serving Up Smiles, which takes place Monday, October 27th at Chelsea Piers. Are tickets still
Can't wait.
available?
Yes, they are still
Still
available.
available.
And when you make it
Info
like
is
this,
there.
you know when you make it fresh, it's only about a 4 or 5 minute cook.
Yeah.
That's it.
We will be eating in the commercial
Yep.
break.
Fresh,
Is
yeah.
what
Wow,
we're
it's
here to
great.
say.
Looking
Chef,
forward
thank
to
you
it.
so much.
Oh,
we
my
have so much more
pleasure.
coming up on New York Living.